Hi angels, welcome back to another Halloween DIY. So in this DIY, we're gonna be making this dress that I saw in Pretty Little Thing. So I call it the Frankenstein wife wedding dress. Not a wedding dress, but like the Frankenstein dress. So you're gonna need is whatever dress, some glow in the dark glue sticks, and that's it. That's you only need two things. That's basically it. I got this dress from Walmart. I think I only paid $6 for it. It was on sale. So I was like, I picked it up. So all I'm gonna do, I actually decided I wanted to do it in black just like the picture, but this little black thing, it wasn't enough. So while making this video, I actually ran out. So that's why, as you guys can see, I'm gonna have to be using the whole colors that I have just to make sure that I was able to finish up the dress, which I gotta say, I do love how it turned out. It turned out pretty good. So what I'm gonna do now is start drawing some lines all over the dress, and then on top of the line I'm gonna draw another line and then just do an X, and that's basically how you make the Frankenstein dress. That's it. Then you just leave it for it to dry. I kind of did messed up because the glue stick wasn't really working. I kept on squeezing, nothing was coming out, and then when I actually squeezed it again, a lot of it came out. So yeah, just be careful. Don't know what happened to it, but yeah. That's it. Well, you guys can't see what I'm doing, but I'm just doing the exact same thing to the top of the dress. I'm just gonna be just I can't talk. I'm gonna be doing it all over the dress. So this is what I've done so far. So the glue stick ran out, so I'm gonna be using the pink one, just overlaying so that everything looks good together. So I'm gonna put it in. Why can't I speak? So I'm just going to be adding it on to every color, just overlaying so that everything look like if it matches together. Which I'm pretty glad that I did this, because in the end, when you guys see how the dress turned out, the black wasn't glowing, but the only color that I think was actually glowing is this color right here. This is the light blue. That was the only color that was glowing. I don't know why the rest of them wasn't picking up in the dark, but yeah, that's what happened. That's what happened. I soon give you guys a closer look of what I'm doing, but I'm just basically drawing some X's, some crosses all over the dress, just to make sure that I can fill in every space. I want to make sure that everything is covered up. So yeah. Everything is covered up. Covered up. This is a cute idea for like a last minute Halloween costume. Like, if you're in bed, you're like, oh no, I'm not doing nothing this Halloween. I actually decided to use the white one just to add a little flavor to it, which actually, I was worried that it wouldn't show up, but it actually showed up. So that's a good thing. But like I was saying, like if you're at home like me watching Netflix and a friend call you like, you should come up for Halloween, but you don't have any costume, you can just get some Sharpie, get a cute dress, and just do this. Or just get some glue stick. Well, this is like a cute last minute outfit. And if you actually know how to do your makeup, then you can just do the same thing to your face with makeup stuff. With makeup stuff. I don't know what the name of the stuff that you can use, but yeah, I try to do that. I know nothing about makeup, so don't know what I'm talking about. This is how it looks in the dark. Like I was saying, only thing was showing up was the blue one. That's the only thing that was glowing in the dark. Everything else, not even the pink, was glowing. Like nothing else was glowing, just the blue. Don't know why. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like it? I actually paired it with these really cute clear heels that I got from AliExpress that I wear in every one of my videos. So yeah, this is how it looks in the light. This kind of do like something that a child will make. So that is how we're looking. Looking like fire. So this is basically the whole video. I hope that you guys like it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, by the way, you do actually need to leave this over. I left it overnight for it to dry, but I think like 10 to 15 minutes you should be good. Just keep checking up on it. Or just leave it. Alright, bye.